I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the webcam model and making sure your computer meets compatibility requirements. Once done, plug the webcam into a rear USB-A or USB-C port. Avoid an unpowered hub because that can cause detection issues. You should see a system prompt. Make sure to allow the device. If the camera didn't auto-install, open Device Manager or System Preferences to verify connection. Next, download and install Logitech's official software so you can access advanced controls and firmware updates. You now focus on drivers and permissions. Launch Logitech GHUB or the camera app and accept any driver or firmware installations. These enable features like autofocus and exposure control. Then open your operating system's privacy settings and grant camera and microphone access to the apps you intend to use. Make sure to set the webcam resolution and frame rate in the Logitech app. Choose 1080p at 30 FPS or 720p at 60 FPS depending on performance. Once configured, test video in the preview window to confirm settings. You finish by testing and mounting the webcam. Open a video app like Zoom or Teams, choose the Logitech device in video settings, and confirm a clear preview. Mount the camera to the monitor or tripod, then adjust angle and lighting for even exposure and correct framing. If the camera is not detected, try a different USB port, especially a rear port, reinstall drivers, and reboot the computer. For persistent issues, check cable integrity and try the camera on another machine to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.